Hi everyone! Today I'm showing you a serious upgrade for my filtration system. We're starting with the Eheim pre-filter. This is the first line of defense for your canister filter. As you can see, it consists of two separate modules with internal sponges. Its main job is to trap all the large debris and gunk before it ever reaches the main unit. This keeps your biological media cleaner for much longer. Setting it up is super simple. The modules click together easily, and it's designed to sit right on your intake pipe inside the tank. This way, you only need to rinse these small sponges during weekly maintenance. By using this, the Eheim Professionel 4 can focus purely on biological filtration. Now let's take a look at the custom 6D sponge and media I'm using inside. There is the 6D sponge after I've custom cut it to fit the Eheim basket perfectly. This replaces the standard polypad and provides much better filtration depth. Notice how I've positioned it. The blue part of the sponge is facing down, while the white polypad side is facing up. This orientation is crucial for the final stage of water polishing. It fits snugly against the edges, ensuring no water bypasses the media. Now that the mechanical stage is set, let's see how I've organized the biological media in the rest of the canister. Inside the canister, this sponge is the first point of contact. It's positioned right at the top, catching any remaining debris before the water flows down to the biological media. Now let's talk about the biological power in these three baskets. In the bottom tray, I've packed 1.5 liters of Seachem matrix for deep, porous filtration. The middle basket features a powerful 1.5-liter mix of Seachem matrix and Eheim Substrat Pro, giving me the best of both worlds. Finally, the top tray holds another 1.5 liters of Eheim Substrat Pro, capped off with that custom 6S sponge for the ultimate water polish. If you found this upgrade helpful and want to see more aquarium tips, please hit the like button and subscribe. Your support really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching.